In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the third brake light on your Honda Pilot. Let's get into it. Using a small pick, there's going to be two little caps on the side of the brake light. Put a little pick in there and pop that out. Under there, there's going to be two Phillips head screws. Remove those. Remove the brake light. On the back, there's going to be a harness and a connector. We're going to pull the harness out of the plastic stay up top. And for the plug, it's going to be a quarter turn, and the bulb will unlock. You can pull it out. Install the connector. We're going to push the third brake light into place. Grab your two screws. Snug them down. Install the caps. The corner will go in first, and then the inside will hinge in and clip. And then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.